So today we're looking at the perfect squares and difference of two squares. So this is an advanced topic for 5.3 content. So looking at perfect squares, what we're looking at is we're looking at binomials that are exactly the same. So this is the same as A plus B, A plus B. Now, what we do, exactly the same process when we're expanding. A times A gives us A squared, B times A gives us AB, B times A gives us AB, and B times B gives us B squared. We can simplify this down to A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. And we're going to just go directly from our perfect square here, this part, straight down to this part here by the end of this lesson, hopefully. We also have negative perfect squares, so that's A minus B, A minus B. When we go through and do the expansion, we get A times A is A squared, A times minus B is minus AB, minus B times A is minus BA, and minus B times minus B is plus B squared. Our two like terms we can add together, so we've got A squared minus 2AB plus B squared. And they're the two tricky ones. And the difference of two squares, exactly the same process. A times A gives us A squared, B times A times minus B gives us minus AB, B times A gives us plus AB, that's poor quality A, and B times minus B gives us minus B squared. And you'll see that these two are like terms and they're going to cancel each other out, so we're left with A squared minus B squared. And what we're doing today in this extension topic is we're actually going to do a few different ones exactly alike. So we're going to do things like this one. So we're going to go, we've got x squared minus two lots of the added together, so minus 4x plus 4. But we're going to do it by expanding first, so we're going to have x minus 2, x minus 2. And we're going to go through, we're going to go x times x gives us x squared, x times minus 2 gives us minus 2x, minus 2 times x gives us minus 2x, and minus 2 times minus 2 gives us 4. We've got two like terms, we add them together, so we get x squared minus 4x plus 4. We've got a 2 in there, so we're going to do exactly the same process. 2x plus 3 times 2x plus 3. 2x times 2x gives us 4x squared. 2x times 3 gives us 6, whoops, that's a bit silly. 6x. 3 times 2x gives us another 6x, and 3 times 3 gives us 9. Again, we got two like terms, so we're just going to write it out. 4x squared, 6x plus 6x gives us 12x, plus our 9. This one, we got the difference of two squares. So we've got x times x gives us x squared, 2x times minus 2 is minus 2x. 2 times x gives us plus 2x. And 2 times minus 2 gives us minus 4. Two like terms, they're actually going to cancel each other out, so we're left with x squared minus 4. Two algebraic terms doing the expansion. 3x times 3x gives us 9x squared. 3x times 2y gives us 3 2s is 6xy. Minus 2x times 3x is minus 6xy. And 2y times 2y gives us 4y, but we've got one negative one, so we're going to make it negative 4y squared. Two like terms cancel each other out. 9x squared minus 4y squared. When we get to the enrichment section, what we're looking at is we're looking at simplifying things down. So we're going to do the expansion first. So x plus 2, x plus 2, and we've still got our takeaway 4. X times x is x squared. 2x times 2 is 2x. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 2 is 4. And we've still got our takeaway 4 that we've left behind. Let's look for some like terms. We've got a 2x and a 2x. X squared still by itself. 2x plus 2x makes 4x. And we've got minus 4 and plus 4, which cancel each other out. So we're left with just that answer. In this one here, we're going to have two expansions to do. So we've got 5x minus 1, 5x minus 1, and we've got to take away our expansion here, so we'll do this one straight away. 5x times 5x is 25x squared. 5x times minus 1 is minus 5x. 1 times 5x is plus 5x, and 1 times minus 1 is minus 1. So, we're getting there. Let's tidy up this part of it first. So we got minus 25x. They cancel each other out, minus 1. We'll do the expansion on this section. 5x times 5x is 25x. 5x times minus 1 is minus 5x. 1 times minus 1 times 5x is minus 5x. And minus 1 times minus 1 is plus 1. Once again, we can do a bit of a tidy up. So I've got 25x squared minus 10x plus 1. And I'm going to take away this section. Minus 25x squared plus 1. Remember, I changed the signs because I had this negative out the front. So I've moved all the signs through. And I should have put in brackets around there. So we've got 25x squared, take away 25x squared. So they disappear. I'm left with 10x. I've got 1 plus 1 makes 2. Not bad for an extension question. Have a good day.